So this is basically, we remove the battery, we open up the barrel, open up this carefully. This is the O-ring is installed, and one spare O-ring is included in the kit. So this is one gigantic battery, you can see over here. It is 26650 lithium ion battery. These are two of them combined together, and the positive terminals is always on the top. You can also, there's one tip, very important. I messed it up with the programming. So if your torch messes up and not working properly or functions properly, probably you will have to reset it, and the manual doesn't state anything, so I figured it out. You're gonna remove the tail cap, actually the negative terminal, like this. So there's a switch inside which reset all the settings of the torch and brings back to the default settings. So this might be helpful in the future. Apart from that, nothing over here. The battery goes in like this, the negative terminal down, and the positive, this is the positive terminal. And carefully you're gonna twist it up. It's threaded very smoothly. Just snip it with very little time. You're gonna end up like this. So this is a new toy. We will hopefully come up with new videos very soon. Thank you very much.